Kyle and Kevin here from G-Town Outdoors. It is December 29th, Sunday. Canadaway Creek has been muddy for the past couple weeks with really close to flooding about 2 weeks ago, and it's still on its way down. And with this recent snow melt, it's still pretty high, so we're over here in Dunkirk, Fredonia area. Gonna be doing some winter steelhead fishing on Canadaway Creek.
Kyle here, hooked up into a first fish of the day on
hand-tied orange sucker spawn.
Just hooked out to one. This is probably our third or fourth pool we've worked today. Here we're in a nice tail out. Got a nice deep water here.
Don't know what it is yet.
Brown trout. Calling it. Right in the corner of the mouth.
Oh, it's a beautiful little brown trout. Look at that.
There you go.
Show that fish. Show that right in the
Losing everything.
Sweet.
Nice fish. Surprise, we were here for steelhead. Hooked into a nice brown.
Nice little brown trout.
Gonna let him back go.
Kevin here with a second fish of the day. Just out of this hole about 10 minutes ago, he hooked one, a brown, got it right on shore and it spit it.
I think it's another brown.
And now he's got another brown on.
Oh.
And he lost another one. Oh. That's the second brown out of this hole he's lost. Kevin hooked a third brown on his very next cast. I just put the camera down and he hooked up. It might be the same one. He ate it again. He has a chartreuse bead pegged in above a blue sucker spawn. And he is just slaying the browns right now.
Oh my God.
And the third one just popped off.